Here in the I button and in description box below will get complete playlist of set theory. Welcome to video number 1, and in this video we are going to start this new chapter and we will be dealing with a topic that is set. Okay. Before I start this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you learn something from my videos, then please hit the like button and do share the playlist of this chapter with your friends. Okay. In this way only you can support me. Okay. Yes. It is just a request. So let us start with the topic that is set. A set is a collection of well distinct object. Okay, what is the meaning of this word distinct? That is different. Okay, well different objects, or you can say, in other words, we can define this set as a set is a collection of well defined object. Okay, a set is a collection of well defined object, or in other words, we can say, we can define set as a set is a collection of objects of any sort. Okay, a set is a collection of objects of any sort. Let us see. We have two examples. Okay, let us see. Yes, we have two examples. That is, here a equals to 2 comma d comma pencil comma brick. Okay, yes, 2 means it's a number, d it's an alphabet, p it's an object. Okay, yes, it's a stationary object, and brick is an object that is used to build a building. Okay, yes, so here we can see that is the objects are not well defined. Okay, yes, the objects are not well defined. But if you take the second case, that is a equals to c comma f comma l comma p, in this set the objects are well defined. Okay, because this is what, yes, this is well defined because this set shows the alphabets. Okay, yes, small letters alphabet. This is well defined, and this is not well defined. Okay, so we will consider this as a set because this is well defined, and a set is a collection of well distinct or well defined objects. Okay, I hope this point is clear to you. Now we will see. Yes, the objects of a set are called elements or members of that set. Okay, yes, these, that is c f l p, these all are what? These all are the elements, or you can say members of this set A. Okay, the objects of a set, these all are objects which are termed as elements or members of this set. Okay, set A. Fine. Now let us see some examples. That is, first example, set of even numbers. Okay, set of an even numbers. If you take even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, these all are, we can say, set of an even number. Now second is set of prime numbers. Okay, yes, what is a prime number? Those numbers which are either divisible by 1 or divisible by itself. Okay, for example, if you take 5, then 5 is a prime number because it is either divisible by 1 or divisible by 5 only. Okay, yes, so 5 is an even number. So set of prime numbers is also well defined object. Okay, yes, please in the comment section write the least number which is a prime number. Okay, least number which is a prime number. Okay, yes. Third example, set of Indian rivers. Okay, again in the comment section please write some of the Indian rivers. Okay, and the set of those rivers will be well defined. Okay, yes, so that is also an example for set. Now we will discuss this small topic. Yes, notation of a set. So set are usually denoted by capital letters. Yes, sets are usually denoted by capital letters. Now if you see here, we are using small letters, but these are not sets. These all are members, or you can say elements of a set. Okay, these all are either elements or members of a set. What is a set? A is my set. Okay, A is a set which is comprising of these elements which are well defined. Okay, so here notations of a set, that is set, are usually denoted by capital letters. Okay, so yes, in the next video we will be see what is a roster form and what is a set builder form of a set. Okay, yes, I hope that you have learned something from this video. If this is the case, please hit the like button and do share the playlist of this chapter with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.